Are you struggling with debt in Scotland and facing the daunting prospect of sheriff officers seizing your goods? Don't panic. I'll be taking you through how to prevent a county court judgment or CCJ from negatively impacting your credit file. Dealing with debt can be tough, especially when the law gets involved. In Scotland, sheriff officers can enforce debt repayment, sometimes by removing goods from your property. I'll explain exactly what this process entails and how you can prevent it from getting that far. I need to give you more detail about sheriff officers and the powers they have. They enforce debt-related orders issued by court. They can evict tenants, enforce debt repayments, make changes to disputed properties, remove or detain household members, and ensure the delivery of vital legal documents. When sheriff officers visit you, they're required to present a red ID booklet upon request. This includes a local sheriff clerk's signature, a photo of the officer, and the crest of the Scottish Courts and Tribunal Service. After verifying their identity, they'll serve you with legal papers outlining your debts and a request for repayment, usually within 14 days. It's wise to pay this within the time frame if you have the money to stop you from getting a CCJ. But what happens if you can't afford to pay your debts? In some circumstances, sheriff officers can remove items from your home or business under what's known as an exceptional attachment order. However, they can't take essential items like clothing, beds, cookers, or freezers. Luxury or non-essential items, though, like vehicles, furniture, jewellery, or tech gadgets could be seized. If there are no non-essential items to seize, sheriff officers can take actions like arresting your earnings or your bank account. They can also take money directly from your income or freeze funds in your bank account above £494.01 until the debts are repaid. The best way for you to stop sheriff officers is by clearing your debts. If this is not immediately feasible, you can negotiate a repayment plan with your creditor to repay your debts in instalments. Facing sheriff officers due to debt is a daunting experience. However, by understanding the process and knowing your rights, you can manage the situation. Remember, the best way to prevent sheriff officers from intervening is by taking control of your debts before they get out of hand. If you've got multiple debts and you're looking to prevent a visit from the sheriff officer, there are still options available to you. I'll leave a form for you below this video so you can explore some debt solutions. It'll ask you a few questions like how much debt do you owe and how many people do you owe, and then at the end of the form it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with who can help explain some of your options. Some solutions can write off some or all of the debt, while others can lower your monthly repayments depending on your unique circumstances. Click the link below and let me know how you get on.